Hi guys, how are you all doing? Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you had a very lovely Christmas and you're having a good New Year already. Now, I'm gonna show you what I use, or should I call it remedy for clearing dark spots? Okay, let me put it that way because I'm excited about this video. So, this product that I'm going to show you now is what I used to clear the dark spots on my face. Before I start, for those of you that are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm an esthetician and this channel is about skincare. So if you're interested in anything that's got to do with glowing skin, you hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And for my regular viewers, I love you. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well while you're subscribing, and because it keeps you up to date when I upload new videos. Please give this video a thumbs up and help me share it. Thank you so much. You know, when it comes to hyperpigmentation, dark spot is one of them, and is one of the toughest hyperpigmentation to get rid of. It doesn't matter if you're an esthetician like me, a dermatologist, whatever. Everyone, especially skin of color, once in a while you get it. I try so much to avoid it. I use, in fact, when it comes to, anyway, as an esthetician, is what is expected of me anyway. So, but I try so hard to make sure I look after my skin and I eat healthy and I don't get those things. But most times, hormones, it's just, you just can't stop it from happening. Okay, so these three products that I use are my favorites right now, and I'm not joking, it works. Okay, so if you're someone that is having issues with dark spots, or if you're having issues with acne, or if you're having issues with hyperpigmentation on your face, you should try it. It may not be for all skin types, because of one of the products that I'm going to show you. It may not be for all skin types, but it's something to give it a try. And when it comes to skincare as well, what works for me may not work for you, but I just thought, okay, I need to share it to you, my viewers, and you may find it interesting and you may give it a try and it may work for you. Okay, I'm gonna show these products to you one after the other. Okay, the first one is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Exfoliating Toner. Okay, I actually did this video up here about this particular product, and years ago I wasn't a fan of glycolic acid because it is a strong exfoliant, but it works perfectly for hyperpigmentation, and a lot of skin tones can use it. Okay, I wasn't a fan of it because I thought it may be too strong for my skin, but it's actually good. And I love this brand from The Ordinary, and the reason I love it is because of the percentage. It has only 7%, which is strong enough but not too strong. And this is what I advise when you're using any AHA. If you're just starting to use acid newly, you should start from the low grade and then you can then progress to higher percentage depending on how your skin reacts to it, because acid is not for everybody. Exfoliating the acid, they are not for everybody. Okay, you need to work. This is my advice all the time. When it comes to skincare products, you need to use what works for your skin, what your skin accepts. Don't use because another person, your friend or your relation, are using it. Okay, So this particular glycolic acid exfoliating toner. Exfoliating toners are toners that remove dead skin cells, and they also help to give your skin give your skin that even tone, and also keep it glowing and looking good. Okay, so this is one of them that I use from The Ordinary. Okay, then the second one is The Ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. Mwah. I love this product. I love this product so much. And the reason is because since I started using it, I've never had any issues on my skin. And niacinamide are great for treating hyperpigmentation as well. And not only that, they give your skin that plumbing looking and give your skin that even skin tone, and they also help to hydrate your skin. So niacinamide, I recommend it all the time to my viewers, even those that slide through my DM and ask me for advice on how to treat hyperpigmentation, on how to keep that skin glowing. I always recommend niacinamide, and this particular one is from The Ordinary. It's 10% plus zinc plus 1. When I finish this video, I'm going to show you like a short demo on how I use it. The third one is The Ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. You know how I love my hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid because if you're someone that wants glowing skin and you don't have hyaluronic acid serum in your skincare box, you haven't started yet. You have a long way to go. Yeah, so hyaluronic acid is so good for hydration. It keeps your skin hydrated for a very, very long time, and it kind of helps to keep that moisture in, suck it in, and give you that glowing skin that you're looking for. It's also good if you're someone that has issues with premature aging, and it's good for hyperpigmentation as well. Honestly, I was really shocked. This is why most people recommend it for someone that has stretch marks. Because stretch mark, when you have stretch mark, you need to work on anything that will hydrate that area and keep it moist, because when it's dry, it's like itchy and the stretch mark gets worse. Okay, so these are the 3 products that I use. Okay, and I don't have anything on my face right now. I just had my shower. I only did cleansing and a bit of lip gloss. A bit of lip gloss. So that's all I have on my face right now. Now I'll show you how to use it. This is how I use it. Now, an exfoliating toner, you have to apply it after cleansing before you put any other skincare product. I think I gave a demo about this the last time on my video. So you put some on your cotton wool and you just use it to wipe. You may get a little bit of a tingling sensation, okay, on your face. And when you're using exfoliating toner as well, when you apply it, you need to give your skin like at least 2 minutes before you put anything else, okay? 2 minutes before you put anything else. Most times when you use it, you will see some dirt coming out from your face. Why? It's because it's removing dead skin cells. Okay. Remember, when you're applying anything on your face, you don't have to rub, like you're not fighting with your face. Gentle. Look at my cotton wool. Look at the dirt that came out from my cotton wool. These are accumulated oil and dirt and impurities that can actually cause you to break out. Okay, so after application, you wait for 2 minutes and then you hit your niacinamide. Make sure your skin is still moist. Okay, now your niacinamide serum, this is the way I use it. My skin is already glowing without me even. I have a table here, so it's stopping me from coming too close. Now, my skin is used to this glycolic acid, so it's not tingling anymore. When I started using it initially, it was tingling, but it was okay. It didn't break me out or anything. After that, you go straight with your hyaluronic acid. You cannot have glowing skin without your serum. I'm telling you from advice as a professional. You cannot have glowing skin without serum. And your serum should be based on what skin issues you're treating and what you want to achieve in terms of working on your skin. Okay? On your forehead, you do like a circular motion with your fingers to keep those wrinkles away. Okay? I use glycolic hyaluronic acid under my eye area to keep the eye area hydrated, because sometimes you can actually find it really dry. Under eye area can get very dry. Now, whenever I apply my serum, I wait a little bit before my moisturizer, because I want my serum to suck in very well before I now use my moisturizer. So this is my moisturizer that I use. I just got this moisturizer. I'm just trying it. I use it mainly if I'm not going out, but if I'm going out, I use my Fade Out because it has sunscreen. Now, okay. Now, guys. Now, talk to me. What do you think? Look at that glow. Let me come closer. Look. Look at that glow. And look, my dark spot, I had one here and there is gone. Gone. Look at that. Okay, let me come closer. See? See? You can hardly see it. And then I used to have one big one there, like an acne there. That's the only dark spot I have on my face. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the glow. Huh? Let me come closer. Look. Look at the glow. Good skincare is good. Don't rush it when it comes to glowing skin. Take your time. Get the right products that fit your skin type. Be consistent and you're on your way to glowing skin. Make sure you eat right and drink plenty of water. So these are my 3 favorite skincare products that I'm using now for glowing skin. Go grab your own. If you have sensitive skin, you may skip this glycolic acid. Okay? You may skip it because it may be too strong for your face. But any other skin type can use it. And remember, it's an exfoliating toner. So do not use it every day, even though it says you should use it every day. But I recommend that you don't use it every day. Use it like every other day, at least 4 times a week. You should use it. And mainly at night and during the daytime. Make sure you have your sunscreen with you. Okay? Put your sunscreen on and that skin will be popping. Thank you so much. I hope you've liked this video and you've shared it as well. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and subscribe. This year we are going to go deep into teaching you proper skincare and a lot of skincare reviews. So keep your comments coming. What do you want me to review for you? Is there any product that you really want me to check it out for you and give a review? I'll try my best to do it. Thank you so much, my favorite people, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.